Okay, so hello, bro, Halim and Sis Novisari. Welcome back to the class and good evening, everyone. Hello.
Hello, good evening, Bro Yahya. Nice to
Okay,
meet you.
nice to meet you too, by the way, sis. What about Bro Halim? Hello, Bro Halim.
Halo, bro.
Okay,
Good evening.
good evening. How are you today, Francis? Apa kabar hari ini, teman-teman?
I am so good. How are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm great as well. Thank you so much for asking me back, by the way. Okay, what about Sis Novisari? How are you
Ye-
today?
Yeah, I'm good too here.
Okay.
It's raining in my place.
Okay, by the way, where are you from?
I'm from Bogor.
Oh, Bogor, right? As known as, what's that?
Rainy
Rainy
city?
City. Yeah,
Yeah.
patah hujan. Okay. Hello, sis Lady Rosalyn and Bro Hey Fatah.
Hi, bro. Good.
Okay.
Hi,
Good
guys.
evening. How are you today, sis?
I'm good, bro. Thank you.
Okay, I'm
And you?
glad to hear that. Yeah, I'm great as well. Nice to know you all here for the first time. What about bro? Hey Fatah. Hello, bro. Hey Fatah. Check, bro Fatah. Okay, bro Fatah still has the other things. Really okay. So maybe
Oh,
without further ado, okay, yeah, ini bro Fatah. Hello, bro Fatah. How are you today?
yeah, hello. I'm good. Thank you, bro.
Okay, nice. Nice to meet you, yeah, bro Fatah, yeah. Okay.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. So without further ado, maybe Francis, while waiting for the others, sambil menunggu yang lain ya, we're gonna open it first, our class, our first meeting by praying together. Praying begin. Okay, finish. Thank you so much, Francis. So that's the usual thing that I usually do in my class. By the way, we're gonna open it by praying, and then we're gonna close it by praying as well. Okay, so here, let me introduce myself first, yeah. Okay, nice to know you here. And then, first of all, I would like to say I'm so sorry for sharing late, right? What's that? Our link, because I've just finished in my previous class, and then actually I've prepared about our link since at 5 o'clock, but I couldn't share it because I'm not the admin of the grup, gitu ya. Saya bukan admin grupnya, jadi saya nggak bisa ganti teman-teman. Oh nanti aja sebelum kelas kayak gitu saya share. Ternyata kelasnya barusan agak molor kelas selanjutnya sebelumnya kayak gitu. So that I'm a little bit late by the way, Francis. Okay, so let me start it my introductions. Hello everyone here. My name is Yahya Faras Dahilullah. My friend and my family address me Yahya, so you can call me Bro Yahya, Francis. And I am from Probolinggo, East Java. Yeah, do you know that? Maybe Francis, ada yang tahu mungkin Probolinggo, East Java?
Yes,
Yeah, I
I
know.
know.
Okay, have you ever been
Probolinggo.
there?
Yes, I've been there.
Okay, so great. So I was born there as well in Probolinggo. Okay, and maybe on the 3rd April, blah blah blah. So later you can guess it after I finish my introductions actually. So, but right now, yeah, currently I am staying in Kediri, especially Kediri district, right? In a Kampung Inggris Pare, by the way, Francis. And about my educational background, I am still college student in the second semester, by the way, Francis.
Oh,
I,
amazing.
I took computer technique as my major, like that. So that short explanation about me. Maybe do you have any questions about me? It's okay. Silahkan. Kalau ada yang perlu ditanyakan dari teman-teman tentang saya, it's okay. I'm waiting for the template
Probolinggo ya.
questions. Yep.
How old are you, bro? Yeah.
So when you look at me, can you guess that? How old am I, by the way, bro? Halim?
18 years old.
Okay, 18. And then what about Bro Halim?
Maybe 20 years old.
20. Okay, Bro Fatah maybe.
Hmm,
Can you guess me?
20 maybe.
20. Sis Lady?
Yes.
So when you look at my face, how old am I, do you think?
26.
26. Okay. So your
Yes.
Bro Topper still connecting, yeah? So the real one actually, yeah, that's true. The closest one is like a Bro Halim and Bro Fatah, by the way. I am actually right now 21 years old, Francis, ya, 21 tahun, teman-teman. I was born on the 3rd April 2003. Saya kelahiran 2003. And then I graduated from senior high school on 2022. I took gap year first. I decided to be the gap year. And I came to Kampung Inggris, Pare. Actually, I can say that I didn't mean to come here, yeah, to come to Kampung Inggris Pare and then learn about English, mastering English as well, Francis, because actually after finishing my study, yeah, at senior high school, Francis, at the time I wanted to continue it directly into the university, but I wasn't accepted. I was rejected as well by the my dream university. So that I decided to come to Kampung Inggris, but that's my destiny. Yeah, that I right now I am staying here. I can maybe share about my knowledge that I've got. Okay, since I learned here. Okay, all of the lessons that I've learned here, by the way, in Kampung Inggris, Francis. Ya itu jadi rezekinya mungkin kayak gitu ya, bukan belum keterima di kampus impiannya, jadinya ya sekarang mungkin bisa mengembangkan skill bahasa Inggrisnya gitu, Francis. So that's short explanation about me. Anything else maybe that you want to ask? Oh yeah, that's the real one. 21 tahun ya saya, teman-teman. Mungkin nggak salah kalau si Sofi Sari tadi bilang 26. Banyak orang yang ngira saya 23, 24 tahun kayak gitu ya.
20 years old, bro. Me?
Iya, enggak.
Me?
Tadi dari Sis Novi Sari kan sekitar 26. Nah, jadi nggak masalah sih sebenarnya, soalnya dari member-member sebelumnya juga ngiranya
Okay.
kisarannya 23,
Never mind,
24
bro.
kayak gitu. Hey, so I'm older than my face, by the way. Sorry, my face is older than I am, than my age kayak gitu. Jadi muka saya lebih tua daripada umur saya, gitu maksudnya. Hey, so maybe without further ado, yeah, about that. Okay, hello, Bro Topper and Sis Fifi. Welcome to the club, everyone. And how are you today, by the way, Bro Topper? Bro Topper atau Bro Topper nih? And Sis Fifi, hello. Halo, Sis Vivi. Cek, ini jaringan saya apa? It's my voice clear enough, bro and sis? Hello,
Yes,
everyone.
we can hear you clearly, bro.
Okay, so I think it's lagging, right? Kayak nge-lag, teman-teman. No, yeah? It's not buffering, right? Okay, great. So right now, okay, this one, Dave 1, Princess ya. Hari pertama, jadi kita akan, okay, we are talking about Hello and It's Me, of course, introductions first. In the intermediate 3 class here, yeah, Francis. Okay, so we jump into the next slide right now. For you who have just joined it, like Bro Topper and Sis Vivi, okay, introduce me here. My name is Yahya, yeah. Yahya Faros Dahilullah. Would you hear my voice? But I am great, thank you. Okay, okay. I couldn't hear your voice, by the way. Maybe, can I check it again? Sis Vivi, check, hello? You can turn on your mic first. Hello, check. I couldn't hear anything, by the way. Gak ada suaranya sama sekali, Sis Vivi. So this one, Francis. Okay, it's our first meeting. We are talking about introductions. today's goals, building confidence. Jadi kita membangun rasa percaya diri ya. Introducing self, priorities points kayak gitu ya. Jadi kita memperkenalkan diri dan juga memprioritaskan poin-poinnya. Okay, this priorities. Okay, priorities points of self intro. Of course, you have to mention about the name. The first is complete name and the nicknames. Okay. And then for the next things, okay, the next thing or the other thing that you need to tell me, okay, it's about your country or your city of origin. Jadi asalnya dari mana ya, asal usulnya, negaranya atau kotanya teman-teman. Your hometown, kampung halamannya. Okay. Okay. So di sini brief my explanation about. Jadi tolong jelaskan, berikan kepada saya penjelasan singkat about this one. Neighbor cities, okay? Kota tetangga atau negara tetangga kayak gitu ya teman-teman. Apa? And then the people. So you need to tell about where you are from first, okay? Teman-teman menjelaskan tentang teman-teman asalnya dari mana dan negara tetangganya itu atau kota tetangganya itu apa. The people, orang-orangnya di sana seperti apa, teman-teman ya. Maybe a lot of like a Javanese or Maduranese or something like that. Okay. And then the third point, city center or the countryside. So you stay in a city center or in the countryside. Jadi teman-teman tinggal di pusat kota atau di bagian desanya kayak gitu teman-teman. Of course, you need to mention about your typical food ya, makanannya ya, makanan khasnya sana teman-teman. Weather, cuacanya di sana seperti apa, and then environment, lingkungannya, and then local culture atau budaya lokalnya itu apa. Mungkin teman-teman ini ada Bro Toper yang tanya terkait yang lain. Can you hear Sis Vivi voice by the way, Francis? Mungkin ada yang bisa mendengarkan suaranya Sis Vivi, teman-teman? Ya ada ya, Bro Alim, Sis Novisari?
Yes. No.
Oh, gak bisa didengar.
No, here from
Yeah.
Vivi.
We couldn't hear your voice by the way, Sis Vivi.
Yeah, maybe Sis Vivi, you can try to disconnect your headphone if you use it. If not, you have to check the setting of your audio.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, so that's first, by the way, for the first screen, by the way, Francis, the first slide. So you will do the introductions about your name, where you are from, and then about the neighbor cities, the people you are staying or you are living in the city center or countryside, and then the typical food kayak gitu ya, teman-teman ya. And then weather, environment, and then the local culture. Kira-kira budaya lokalnya itu apa, teman-teman? So tell me about that. But it's a brief, by the way, teman-teman. Jadi dijelaskan secara ringkasnya aja, nggak apa-apa, teman. Okay, so who wants to start it first? By the way, Francis, silakan. Jika ada, I ask your favor, please. Teman-teman, saya minta. Okay, and the audio is audible. Okay. I don't know why here we couldn't hear your voice, by the way, Sis Vivi. Nah, jadi silakan teman-teman yang mau memulai dulu atau I will choose you randomly here. Okay, let me choose you randomly, right? Okay, I'm going to start with Sis Novisari dulu deh. Okay, let's go, Sis Novisari. Let's start your introductions and don't forget about you have to brief explanation about this one. Yeah. Okay, let's go, Sis Novisari.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Hello all. Good evening. Very nice to meet you in these sessions. And in this great opportunity, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Novisari Wahyuni. You can call me Novi. I'm actually from East Java. I'm from Malang. But now I live in Bogor.
Okay.
Yeah. I have been living in Bogor since 2016.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's been about 8 years. I
Mhm.
live in Bogor, and I'm Javanese, so I speak Javanese. But here in Bogor, actually, mostly people is Sundanese. But unfortunately, I don't speak Sundanese
Mhm.
because every day, if I have to communicate with people around me here, I use Bahasa. So that's why I don't understand and I don't speak Sundanese in Bogor.
Okay.
Even I live here for 8 years, I still don't understand Sundanese.
Maybe only
And
some words, yeah.
yeah, just
Mhm.
few words I know about Sundanese language. Yeah, I'm married with 3 kids. So actually, one of my first son actually almost the same with you, Bro Yahya.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not young anymore, but my soul is still young. So I still need to improve my English. So please treat me the same with your age. Yeah, don't
Okay.
don't see me that I'm the oldest student in this class.
Okay.
I have
Mhm.
the same spirit with you here that
Okay,
I want
yeah.
to improve my English.
I will.
Yeah, thank you. And I work at research institution here in Bogor. So I do research relating to environmental and forestry issue. And talking about my city here in Bogor, as you know, the city is a rainy city because the rain intensity in Bogor is highest than
Mhm.
other cities. So that's why people call Bogor is rainy city. And if we talk about Bogor, maybe you know about asinan. So this is one of the famous food, yeah, from Bogor. So this is actually it's kind of like Indonesian salad. It's made from fruit and also fresh vegetable, and then we mix it with chili sauce,
Mhm.
and the taste is really fresh and also a little bit sour and spicy. So if you like spicy food and fresh, maybe you can try asinan when you visit Bogor. And
Okay.
the weather here, as you know that because Bogor is rainy city.
Test.
Oh, yep, that's great, Sis Vivi.
Okay, thank you.
We can hear your
Yeah,
voice right now.
sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Finally, we can hear you, Sis Vivi.
Yeah, sis. Sis Onion.
Okay. Uh, talking about weather in Bogor because as you know that Bogor is rainy city in Indonesia, it doesn't mean that the weather is cool. When we visit Puncak, Puncak is one of the famous place in Bogor.
Mhm.
Yes, that's correct. That the weather in Puncak is cool, but not in city center. Yeah, I live in city center. It's close to botanical garden. So it's only about 10 kilometers from my house. So if you visit Bogor, uh, I'm I'm happy to meet you. If you don't mind, you can contact me if you want to visit Bogor and meet me here in Bogor. And about the culture, because mostly people in Bogor is Sundanese, so
Mhm.
all the culture, mostly the culture is affected by Sundanese people. So one of the culture that we have here in Bogor, and also I learned about this culture that we call it cucurak. This is kind of gathering that people usually conduct when we are entering Ramadan. So we have gathering with our close friend and sometimes family that we eat together before we enter Ramadan. I think that's
Mm.
all my short introductions. Thank
Okay,
you.
great. Thank you so much, Sis Novisari. So here we're friends. We can call you Sis Novi only, right? Sis Novi?
Yes.
Okay, Sis Novi from Malang actually, but now she's living in Bogor, by the way, Princess. Yeah. Okay, great. Nice to know you, Sis Novi. And then for the next, let me choose Bro Halim. Let's go, Bro Halim. Start your introductions.
Thank you, Bro Yahya and sis. Oh, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Halim. You can be called Halim. I am an office worker who live in a small town. To be precise, I was born in Slawi. You know Slawi, Tegal, Warteg,
Warteg.
Tegal Regency, Central Java. I am 51 years old. So Bro Yahya is like my son, sorry, and married with 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. The first child, boy, studying his final semester, and the second child is currently teaching in Wonogiri after finishing school at the Gontor Putri Mantingan, Ngawi Islamic Boarding School. And the last little boy has just graduated from elementary school and will continue his education at Nurul Haya Boarding School in Brebes. I work at Bank Mandiri in Tegal City as a security manager. I work at Bank Mandiri Jakarta for around 18 years and moved to Semarang in 2017 for around 3 years, and since July 2020 I transferred to Tegal City. My wife is a teacher at Bimantara Al Furqon in Regat Primary School. I joined Speaking Parker. I think I have motivation for learning English because my first and my second children can speak English and Arabic very well, and ever joined in Kampung Pare. So I have to learn a lot of English well, especially in daily conversation using English. And then I live in Central Java, especially in the west of Brebes, Regency, east of Pemalang, Regency, north of Tegal City, and south of Banyumas, Regency. On the paper, I have to live a small village. The life of my community I think, is very good. Motor cooperation is still ongoing. Unlike when I live in the big city of Jakarta. And my typical food in Tegal, soto Tegal, lengko, and then goat sate. That is my favorite goat sate in Tegal. Maybe
Okay.
bro Yahya, wife in Tegal. I want to save you, bro, and sis, and any other rujak teplak, antul cracker. I think any. And the weather in Tegal, I think there are two weather conditions in Tegal district. In the district, the air is cold, but in Tegal city is very hot because it is close to the sea.
Okay, I see.
Okay, and then local culture, there are local culture that still exist in my village. Maybe Sri Alam, Sedekah Laut ya, event
Oh, yeah, yeah, I
seven
see.
ya, 7th month of pregnantly and Alam Earth, Thoughts Relay and on 1 Muharram, Pawe Obor, and celebration of child birth and children groundbreaking event. And uh, I studied at night in 26 while on duty in Jakarta, majoring in computer informasi system, like bro, bro ya, at Bina Sarana Informatika. I think at the time I only talk about going to college to be able to operate a computer in office to support my career. And I am grateful that finally my bachelor degree can be used for my career. I think yes, I really enjoy at my works at career at Bank Mandiri because Bank Mandiri have give me many benefit and several salary. And my hobby, when I was young, my hobby was running and badminton. But now that I am 51 years old, I like cycling, walking, and sometimes exercise in the game twice a week.
Okay, I
Yes,
see.
I really enjoy this life, and it's so beautiful for my life. And I think for me, best talent. I think best talent is an instructor. Maybe in the next, I want to be a instructor in a security guard. How to be a good teacher to make a professional security guard. And I have dream of setting up how to security professional. So I want to make to be security professional, and so I want to have declared security or maybe now yayasan security, maybe like that, bro Yahya and sis.
Okay, I see.
That's my introduce myself.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. By the way, I am your customer here, Bro Halim. Yeah, I am the user of Mandiri as well.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe yeah, we are the customer, and then you are someone who are working there as well. Okay, great. So I like the way you tell us about that. You have given us, okay, show us as well here to Snovisari, and then Valim show us about your spirit, right? That even though you are not young anymore, but you have a good spirit to learn about English, to master in English as well, by the way. Okay, I will do my best to give you letter to help you in this class, by the way. Okay, thank you so much. Then for the next, I would like to ask Sister Lady. Okay, what about you, Sister Lady?
Yes, bro. Okay. Hi, Bro Halim.
Hello, this
Bro Halim,
lady.
Bro
Nice to meet
Fatah.
you again, Bro Fatah. Nice to meet you
Yeah.
again.
Okay. Hi, guys. Good evening. Um, Introducing my name is Lady Rosalina Pitulay. I'm usually called Lady, and I'm single. Yeah. Uh, by the way, I'm from Germany. Oh no, I'm kidding.
Okay, so I think yeah, so that wow, I can
No,
speak
I'm kidding.
a little bit by the way about that.
No, no, no. I don't speak Germany.
Okay.
No, no. I'm from Ambon, but I grew up in Papua, more
Okay.
precisely in the city of Jayapura,
Okay.
which which has a neighboring country with Papua New Guinea. And the people of Papua are very nice. The And the typical food of Papua is papeda. Maybe you
Papeda,
know
okay.
papeda?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know that.
yes. And it's very hot here, and the environment where I live is certainly very safe. I far from the KKB, yeah, which is
Okay.
in the mountain, so it's very safe and has a lot of diverse cultures. They are very good. But honestly, I can't explain the culture because I myself am confused because there are many.
I just that I know maybe it's about their traditional costume, right? What's that?
Yeah, maybe wedding.
Koteka, yeah, is the case.
Merdeka,
Their
yeah.
traditional.
Merdeka is a clothes, yeah.
Okay, yeah, the traditional costume by the way, kayak pakaian tradisional. Okay,
Yeah.
see. So you
And
are actually Ambonese, but you are living in Papua right now.
yeah. So I know about Papua, but I don't know about Ambon.
Okay, I see. Great.
Yeah. And and I'm studying at Satya Wacana Christian University in Salatiga, Central
Oh,
Java.
I know that by the way because Satya Wacana has this one, the basketball. What's that
Yeah,
team? Yeah, that
basketball
I
team.
know. I like
Yeah.
basketball so much, so that I knew that.
Ah, okay. But I don't like basketball. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Huh?
I major in informatics engineering, teknik informatika.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I work at one of the private banks in Papua as an analyst. And my hobbies never change. I love traveling and watching movies. So that's all the introducing from me. Thank
Okay.
you.
I would like to ask something by the way. Why do you like or you use the profile picture like you like Germany?
Germany, because
Why?
uh,
What's the what is the thing that you like most from Germany?
because I love Germany football team.
Okay, I see. Well, it was so sad, right? In the
Yeah,
last year of Tony Cruz, was was lost, right?
oh
By
yeah.
was beaten by the what's that?
Mm?
Right? Manchester,
Uh,
right? Oh,
Spain.
Spain,
Germany
Spain. Sorry, yeah.
versus Spain. Yeah, but
Okay, I see.
okay.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, by the way, sis lady, and nice to know you. Yeah, sis lady from
Yes, thank
okay,
you.
Ambon, but right now she is living in Papua. Okay, would like to ask sis Fifi. Okay, hello, sis Fifi. Check, sis Fifi.
Hello. Check.
Okay, that's the name of the
Okay.
account in the group. It is you, by the way. Zuzu itu sis Fifi.
No.
Oh, bukan ya?
I don't know in my WhatsApp apa ya? Lupa.
Okay.
Because it's my business WhatsApp business.
Okay,
Ada
I see.
middle course ya.
Yeah. Okay, so right now
Okay,
take
by
your
the
time
way.
to start the introductions.
Okay, thank you all for the time. This time I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fifi Wijaya. You can call me Fifi. Actually my real name is Devi Wijaya. Sorry.
Mhm.
Yeah, I come from Central Java, Semarang, but I live in Lampung right now. I have lived in Lampung for 12 years. Hello. Did you hear my voice?
No, I mean
Hello?
your
Oh
my
yeah, sorry,
voice
sorry.
is
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Yeah, I live in Central Lampung Regency, which is the contains various tribes such as Javanese, Sundanese, Balinese, also Bugis, Makassar. They who originate from transmigration.
Mm-mm.
Japanese people are the majority who still maintain their original culture here, such as the Japanese language and art. And most of the people of Central Lampung are supported of the apa tuh budayanya pepadun
Oh,
tradition. Yes. As a traditional unit, the Papadun people have certainly developed their own culture as a guide for living together. Let's say, for example, in their kinship system, they adhere to patrilineal principles, which follow the male line of descent. And they also have a philosophy of life known as PIL ya, PIL. Jadi ini bahasanya
PIL.
lebih ke PIL. Ya, PIL Pesingiri with the cultural elements of apa tuh Sulu Kadek. Sorry, maybe
Okay.
because I'm still learning about the culture, Lampung culture ya.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm still 12 years old. So, yeah. In Lampung, there are so many sugarcane, cassava, and pineapple plantations, and coincidentally, the plantation who was close to my house. So my house is
Yeah.
near with so many, yeah, apa, pabrik apa bahasa Inggrisnya lupa.
Company bisa
Company,
or
yeah.
factory,
Yeah.
sorry, factory.
Factory, yeah, factory. So manufacturing news to my house. Yeah, such as sugarcane, cassava, and pineapple also. And apalagi nih perkenalannya?
It's about the environment and the local culture. And but if you think that's enough, it's really okay. By the way, Sufi.
Yeah, Lampung is a province on the southern tip of the Indonesian island of Sumatra, right? With several nature preserves that over hiking, birds watching, and wildlife viewing. The mountainous rainforest, Bukit Barisan. Bukit Barisan. Yeah, have you been there? Have you ever go there?
Okay, by the way, I haven't been I have never been there by the way, but I have ever heard about that. Pernah mendengarkan lagi.
Yeah, okay. Maybe sis Novisari ever have.
Yeah, Branches, maybe. Have you ever been to the what's that like Bukit
Barisan because
Bukit
she is a
Barisan.
researcher.
Not yet, sis. Maybe
Not yet.
someday
Yeah,
if
I'm
I
waiting
have
for your
research
visit.
project.
Okay, I'm waiting
Yeah.
for your visit. Okay. And by the way, the capital city is Bandar Lampung. Is a backpacking hub and jumping off point. Apa ya? Aduh, aku lupa. Yeah, and Waikambas also.
Okay.
Yeah, Gajah. Yeah. Sorry, maybe my English is not good. Yeah.
No, it's really okay. It's you can speak more fluently, I think, than me. It's really okay. You can continue it first.
Yeah, and yeah, about me, I used to live in Semarang and I live in Lampung for 12 years, and my background is bachelor degree in economic, and actually now I'm still a student college also, but not for magister, but I took my English in university also
Oh,
for
okay.
bachelor. So yeah, it's maybe it's a long story about that. Yeah. I think it's enough for my introduction.
Okay, great.
So
Thank you
yeah,
so
yeah.
much. And then nice to know you,
Okay,
Sis
thank
Vivi.
you.
You are
Okay.
from Lampung, yeah. Okay,
Lampung.
great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And then I'm going to go with Bro Fatah, maybe. Hello, Bro. Hey, Fatah.
Okay,
Okay, so take your time, bro.
thank you, bro. Good evening, everybody. In this opportunity, I'd like to introduce myself. Well, my full name is Muhammad Fatahuddin Hidayat, and all my friends call me Fatah or Bro Fatah.
Mhm.
I'm married with a daughter, and I love playing table tennis and cycling. Almost every day I play table tennis, and once a week I go cycling. I usually do that. I work in elementary school as a teacher. I love English, but I can't speak fluently. So I hope by joining this class, I can improve my English and hope to all of you to guide me, especially through Yahya. I live in Central Java, Pekalongan Regency, and Kajen Subdistrict. Pekalongan Regency is between Batang Regency in the east and Pemalang Regency in the west. And I live in the capital of Pekalongan Regency, so I live in city center. And tropical food. Typical food in Pekalongan is sego megono. You know sego megono or megono,
I've
right?
ever heard about that. Can you describe me about that, maybe, bro? Sugomagono.
Sego megono made from raw jackfruit. It almost like gudeg Jogja,
Okay.
but without soap. If
Oh,
gudeg Jogja with soap and megono without soap, and it's that's the difference both of them. And then about weather, sometimes rainy and sometimes dry. Then local culture in Pekalongan is Japanese, and many people here are santri because Pekalongan Regency is called Santri City or Kota Santri.
oh, so you mean over there a lot of like a Islamic boarding school, right?
Okay, yes. Especially traditional boarding school,
Yeah, I see.
pesantren kuno itu ya.
Yeah. Okay,
Nah,
okay.
Oke, kemudian apa lagi nih ya? Then
Yeah, I
what's
think that's all first about the explanations. Do you have more? I think you have mentioned all of the point here, bro.
what did you
Sudah
say?
disebutkan kayaknya sama
Okay.
bro.
Okay. Thank you. That's is it.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Nice to know you, Bro Fatah. And then I hope so that I can help you all here, Francis, to be better as well. Like, yeah, I will share a lot of my knowledge to you. And then I hope we can synergize together, ya. Sinergi bersama di sini, teman. Okay, and then after having some introductions, by the way, Francis, so right now we're gonna developing our discussions about this one first. Okay, about hobbies. Okay, atau hobi-hobi ya teman-teman ya. Do you feel like making your hobby as a business idea someday? If so, how would it be like to be? Kayak gitu. Pernah nggak teman-teman merasa itu seperti kayak membuat hobi teman-teman itu menjadi sebuah usaha, teman-teman? Jadi sebuah bisnis atau ide bisnis suatu hari kayak gitu ya. If so, how would it be like kayak gitu? What about you, Francis? Do you feel like making your hobbies as a business idea someday? Apakah teman-teman mungkin dari Bro Alim, Sis Novisari, Sis Lady, Sis Vivi, and Bro Fatah? Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So what about you, Bro Fatah? Do you feel like Bro Muhammad Fatah, do you feel like making your hobby as a business idea someday?
I don't think so. I don't feel like making my hobby as a business idea someday, because I do my hobby just for fun and just to exercise and share with all my friends, see my friends, and yeah, just for having fun. So I
Okay.
don't think so.
Okay, so you mean that actually your hobby is like the resource of your happiness, right? Sumber dari kebahagiaan. Okay, I see. Great. Thank you so much, by the way, Bro Fatah. And then what about the others? Bro Halim, Sis Lady, or Sis Novisari? Do you feel like making your hobby as a business idea someday? Someday. Maybe Bro
Maybe
Halim?
I like gardening, bro.
Mhm.
Hi, bro Haya. I think next I like making my own fish pond. I think I want development a garden, making a business in the next when I got a retreat in Bank Mandiri or pension. I think I want development gardener or making my own fish pond and to be business next.
Okay, yeah, I see that. So that's your hobby. You have a hobby like gardening, and that so you want to develop it until it will be your business idea. Like maybe you sell about the way you sell about the you sell the plant, or you want to make some like this one, bro. What's that? I can, and how to say this one, by the way, Francis, mungkin lebih tepatnya kayak pembuatan taman atau teman-teman lebih
Yes,
penyusunan
makes
tanah
yes.
usaha seperti itu ya.
Okay.
Landscape.
Okay. Ya, landscape. Okay, great.
Landscape.
Landscape.
Landscape ya, landscape. Penataan
Landscape.
taman kayak gitu ya, teman-teman.
Yeah, penataan taman.
Okay, I see. Great. So that's the business idea that you have got, by the way, Bro Halim. Okay, thank you so
I
much,
hope
Bro
so,
Halim.
bro.
Okay, what about you, Sis Fifi? Do you feel like making your hobby as a business idea someday? If so, how would it be like to be like?
Yeah, of course. Actually, I have my own business from in a core business, culinary.
Mhm.
So when I retired from work, I have took my cooking study for 2 years
Oh yeah.
because I love to cooking, and then now I made my business about culinary. I made some of many food. I have my own catering. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so it's only the recipe start from you.
The recipe from the most is from my own or from the when I was in class. I mean in a cooking class.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, but
Of
it's
course, you have
yeah.
the secret things. Okay, great.
Yes,
Over the
correctly. Yes. Okay.
Maybe
I
the
made
knowledge.
and dim sum also handmade.
Wow, that's great. I like
Maybe
dim
my
sum as
promotion
well, by the
here.
way, Francis. I
Yeah,
like
I made
vampire. I
many
like dim
cookies.
sum.
I made many cookies, and yeah, until Alhamdulillah for all the order is running well until now.
Okay, great. So I hope so you can develop it more, yeah, as well. You
Amin,
can
amin,
expand
amin.
your business as well, Sis Fifi, by the way.
Amin, amin. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for answering my questions, Sis Fifi, yeah. And
You're
then what about Sis Novi Sari? Hello, Sis Novi. Do you feel like making your hobby as a business idea someday, Sis Novi?
Yeah, I think we can make it. Actually, bro Halim, we have the same future dreams.
Okay.
I'm currently a researcher and also planter. So my passion is also planting plant or tree. So this is one of my dream when I get retirements. One of my dream I want to have a a small business gathering in my homes. But I want to focus on vegetable and also how to develop crop in my small garden. So I think this is also one of a good idea.
Yeah.
When I do not have job and I retired, so I can feel my activity to spend my time in my garden and also I can earn money.
Yeah, of course. Maybe
Yeah.
you will work after retiring, I think. Yeah? You
Yeah.
will work with the things that you like that, yeah. That you like to do. So just like gardening and then all of the things. Maybe it's like as is Fifi, maybe she wanted to sorry. She likes cooking. So you can earn it. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Sis Novisari, for answering my questions here. Okay, and then I would like to ask this lady, what about you, this lady? Do you feel like making your hobby as a business idea someday?
Aduh, I don't know. I don't know if my hobby can become a business or not. But I could make a business of traveling abroad in the future, maybe like um a tour guide or agent that can
Oh, okay, I see.
abroad. Uh, yeah, I haven't talked about it yet. Yeah.
So
Okay.
you mean your hobby is traveling that you hope someday using English as well as your soft skills, yeah? Your hard skills as well. So you can what's that? Make
Mm,
your dreams comes true as a traveling around as a maybe a tour guide or as a translator. Yeah, it's able as well, right? Itu
yes,
bisa juga
bro.
atau bisa juga menjadi translator, bisa juga menjadi tour guide. Okay, I
Uh,
hope that all of you guys here you can get your developing your hobbies by the way, Francis. Okay, so thank you so much. Do you have any additional by the way, sis lady? Ada tambahan?
no, bro.
Okay,
Sorry.
great. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
So, and this one, Francis, finding your best talent. So, what do you think is your best talent, by the way, Francis? And then this one, have you ever thought to sharpen or train that more serious someday? Okay, so actually, I would like to start it, yeah, Francis, yeah. What do you think is your best talent? I can say right now, maybe my best talent that I've got, yeah, that I have had, by the way, Francis, is English, by the way. Then, have you ever thought to sharpen or train that more serious someday? Of course, that's my one of my process here, Francis. Yeah, I want to sharpen my knowledge, my skills, and then I want to train it more, practice it more serious. By the way, and then someday I want to get all of my dreams, such as maybe I want to continue my master degree in abroad, like that. So anything else, so I will sharpen my talents of English right now to be better in the future, by the way, friend. Okay, so that's my answer. What about, okay, start from sis lady there, sis lady. Gimana nih
Yes,
menurut sis Lady nih?
my best talent, yeah. I don't know what my best talent is. I just do what I feel I can do. Yeah. And have you, sorry, Sunday. I thought about my practicing my English more because that's what I need.
Yeah. So maybe your best talent right now, I can say that you have a soft skill in bahasa, and then you want to sharpen that until you, because you like a hobby like a traveling, you like traveling, so you want to sharpen your skill as well and then train it more serious. Then someday you can be the tour guide and then you can travel around while getting money like that, yeah.
Yes.
Or you can go somewhere, you can go abroad without sorry, I mean like without spending a lot of money like that because you are the tour guide like that.
Yeah.
Okay, great, thank you,
Yeah.
sis
Thank you,
Lady.
Bruno.
What about Bro Halim? Oke, si Sofia deh, si Sofia, silahkan si Sofia.
A question actually, bro.
Oke, what's that?
Sorry, because I don't really understand about the tenses.
Mhm.
Could you explain why there is do and also is in the first questions? What do you think is
Okay,
your best talents? Maybe you can
so,
explain it.
okay, so this one, what do you think is your best talent? Actually, this question, yeah, when we want to make it to be the answer, we have to, this one, Francis, we have two sentences. Kita punya dua kalimat ya, teman-teman ya. What do you think? Apa yang kamu is your best talent? Kayak gitu, teman-teman. So, jadi maksudnya, I think my best talent is. Jadi jawabannya seperti itu. Jadi maksudnya ini, yang jadi pertanyaan utamanya adalah what do you think-nya? Is your best talent-nya, ini adalah sebuah klausanya sebenarnya, sis. Jadi dia itu adalah berupa adjective clause, kayak gitu, atau klausa. Jadi dia ini bukan bentuk kalimat tanya, tapi dia menjelaskan, what do you think? Apa yang kamu pikirkan? Oke ya, tentang kayak gitu ya. Apa itu talentmu kayak gitu misalkan. What do you think that is your best talent? Kayak gitu. Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang talenta terbaikmu itu apa? Jadi ini adalah dua kalimat sebenarnya susunannya, sis. Tapi yang jadi pertanyaan utamanya susunannya itu menggunakan yang what do you think ini tadi. Misalkan, what do you think your best talent is? Kayak gitu ya. Nah, tapi karena ini dianggap kita, what do you think is your best talent? Kayak gitu ya. Nah, ini adalah yang dimaksud bahwa is-nya di sini sebagai kata, sorry, it's a, ya, kata ganti, Francis, kayak gitu. Biasanya kan digantikan dengan who atau which, kayak gitu ya. Is-nya yang artinya, apa tadi, what do you think is your best talent kayak gitu, apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang kayak gitu ya, oke, talenta utamamu. Jadi sebenarnya ini susun dari dua kalimat. So later maybe, yeah, don't worry, by the way, I will help you to tell about that and more ya. Mungkin kita bisa selesaikan untuk pertanyaan ini dulu dengan jawaban dulu ya, si Sofi Sari. Jadi nanti akan saya bantu juga, nggak mungkin saya lupakan in the next meeting because it's already 10 as well. I know that you want to take a rest as well. Maybe we can know we can get the answer first from of these questions from the other members here ya. Nanti akan saya bantu si Sofi cari. Oke, mungkin kalau dari Bro Halim sendiri, Bro Halim, what do you think? What do you think is your best talent? And have you ever thought to sharpen or train that more serious someday?
Okay, bro. If you know that my career as a security officer, so I think my best talent is as an instructor in education of a prospective security guard. How to be a good teacher to make a professional security guard. So I love in my career as a security. So I want to improve professional in my security in my company. Maybe like that, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think your best talent you have such like martial arts as well, right, Bro Halim?
Sorry.
Bro Halim, do you have any best talent like martial arts? Bela diri maksudnya, bro.
Yes. I have how to say in English bela diri? Sorry.
Martial arts.
Okay. I have martial art in karate. In
Okay,
karate.
great.
So I think that is from improve my how to my body health and makes security good and performance. Sometimes I exercise with my staff in my office.
Mm-hmm.
One week, once
Okay,
week.
once a week ya.
Once
Satu
a
kali
week, once a
Mm-hmm.
week on Saturday, exercise with my staff, exercise
Okay.
karate.
Okay, so
Hello?
okay, good. Yeah, I see. Hello, check, Bro Halim.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, you have a battalion over there in a martial arts like a karate. Okay, thank you, Bro Halim, for answering my questions first. Hey, what about Sis Novisari? Kalau dari Sis Novisari gimana nih? What's your best talent? Nanti akan saya bantu jelaskan ya, Sis, tentang
Iya.
pertanyaannya tadi, Sis Novisari.
Yeah. Yeah, actually this is simple question, but it's hard for me to answer. Maybe because I don't really understand my talent. So that's why when I have to answer this question, I have to think what is my talent actually.
Mm-mm.
But I think based on my passion, maybe what I like to do. My best talent is doing planting. So
Okay.
I like planting plant. So it's kind of like gardening.
Gardening.
Yeah. And if I have to answer question number 2, yeah, I think this is still related to question 1. So this is my right now actually my best time to sharp and maybe to train my skill. So someday if I have to focus to my talent to focus to sharp my talent, I already have information how I can expand my talent and what I can do if I want to improve my talent more seriously in the future.
Okay, I see. Great. Thank you, Sis Novisari, for answering my question. So maybe for the first meeting, we only do that like Francis. Jadi kita ngobrol-ngobrol aja ya, Francis ya. Hey, kalau dari Sis Novisari, Sis Lady sama Bro Lim sudah. Mungkin dari Bro Fata atau Sis Vivi silahkan. What's your best talent, by the way? Ya, Sis Vivi mungkin dulu, Sis Vivi.
Okay. Yeah, for me, apart from cooking, actually I want to improve my English more. That's why right now I already 40, but I even now taking English education at university to get a legal teaching because I want to share my talents to many people or the younger generation. I want to have an educational place for people who are less fortunate, able to find a place to gain knowledge for them. That's my dream, really. That's my dream.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about actually I'm a facilitator also, but I have no background legal for the teaching, so I took my education now just for that. I want to make my own like semacam tempat belajar I want
Okay,
to
like
have
a course lah ya.
yeah,
Boleh lah
the
ya.
course at the
Hmm.
next time. I mean, yeah, hopefully I can reach that. Hopefully.
Okay, yeah, okay, I hope so, I hope so. Okay, thank you, thank you. And then this one, the last answer, we want to learn it or we want to hear that from Bro Fatah. What about you, Bro Fatah?
Okay. His best talent seem with bakat.
Sorry, what's that?
His best talent same with bakat.
Oh
Bakat.
yeah, hmm,
Okay. Okay.
same as that.
I think my best talent is playing table tennis because
Oh,
I play table tennis since when I was in the elementary school, and I do that till now. So I think my best
are you an
talent.
athlete, Bro Fatah?
No, just local athlete,
Okay, like an
local
athlete.
athlete, yeah.
But
And
you have ever joined a lot of competitions, right?
yeah,
Okay, I see, I see.
I ever joined local tournament in Pekalongan Regency. I ever got first winner in single, in double. So
That's a
yeah,
great enough. No, by
yeah.
the way, you thought that you want to sharpen that more serious someday, bro? Or
Uh,
just for fun as well?
just to train my skill, I do that every day. Even I do that by myself just to train myself.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, every day I play table tennis.
Okay, I
But
see.
to become an athlete, I think it's impossible because I'm old now.
Okay, okay.
I'm 40s, bro. I'm 40s.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, that's it, I think.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I don't know about that right now. Actually, you are an athlete or not, but I mean, you were an athlete of your school athlete, something like that, maybe, bro.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, great, great. Thank you, Francis. So mungkin, okay, it's already 20 past 10 as well, Francis. Maybe for today we have only like introduction sections ya. Sesi perkenalan dulu teman-teman. And then we want to know each other first, where you are from, and then what's your intention, by the way, of studying English here. So right now I can know that, so I hope that we can synergize together in this class, and then let me help you later if you have some difficulty. I will help you to tell you in this class as well, Francis. So I hope that you can be like this as well in the next meeting. You can be more interactive. You can talk much as well, yeah, Francis. Yeah. So that's a thing because actually I am only the facilitator of the class. Yeah. So the main point, you are the you are the customer. So if you want to improve that, you have to practice. You have to talk too much as well. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first, yeah, Francis, about our lessons for tonight. And then for Sis Novisari questions, I will tell in the next meeting. Oke, nanti akan saya bantu penjelasan grammarnya juga di pertemuan selanjutnya, teman-teman. Okay, so thank you so much, by the way, for joining tonight class, and thank you so much for having me. Let's close our class tonight first by praying together. Praying begin. Okay, finish. I think that's all first. And the last I say, see you tomorrow and have a good night ya, Francis. Selamat beristirahat. Terima kasih banyak.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank
see
you.
you.
Bye bye.